If you want to know how to install RStudio on Windows, then this video is for you only. Because in this video, we will learn how to install RStudio on Windows. Hello and welcome to Simplified Statistics by Chesta. So today we will learn about how to install RStudio on Windows. So let's begin. First of all, we will click on the web browser. Then we will search for RCRAN. Then click on the official website, RAN R project. Now we want to install R for Windows. So download R for Windows. Now click on the base. Now we will click on download R for Windows. This is the current version. So click on download. Now click on save. Here you can see the download has been started. We will wait for some time. As you can see here, the exe file has been downloaded. Open this file. Select the setup language as English. The setup has been started. Click on next. Don't change the path. Click on next. Again click on next. Again click on next. Again click on next. By default, it will create a desktop shortcut. So click on next. The setup has been installed. Now we will click on finish. Here we have installed R, as you can see here on the desktop. Click on open and you can run your project here. To work with R more effectively, we need to download RStudio because it is an integrated development environment that provides a user-friendly graphical interface. So let's install RStudio now. Open the browser and search for RStudio. Now we will click on RStudio desktop. Here you can see there are two options, install R and install RStudio. We have already installed R, so we will click on download RStudio desktop for Windows. Here we will click on save. Here you can see the exe file is downloading. It is about to download. Now as you can see, the RStudio has been downloaded. We will click on it. Now we will click on the next button. The destination has been given here, so click on install. Now click on finish. If you will search for RStudio, it will appear and click on open. Now you can see on the screen the RStudio has been opened. We have successfully downloaded the RStudio. Now you can run your programs on this studio. If you want to learn more R tutorials, then you can mark in the comment section. And if this video was useful to you, then kindly like, share and subscribe our channel. For more videos, stay tuned with Simplified Statistics by Chesta. Thank you for watching.